Hello, welcome to this amazing training. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Affiliate Beginner Course ABC by Stanislaus Okeke. This is a product review that's going to talk about what this course is all about and how to navigate through the platform if you have actually purchased the Affiliate Beginner Course ABC. Now, before we go into the platform, now what does this course actually do? Now, the Affiliate Beginner Course ABC is designed and created with one purpose in mind, and that is to teach and show you step by step how you can create a simple affiliate online business that can bring you nothing less than 750K or more weekly, depending on how serious you are with this business model. All right. Now, if you have actually purchased the course, Expertnia is going to send you an access link to the email you use in purchasing the Affiliate Beginner course. All right. Now, when you check your email, you are going to see this particular message from Espania. Congratulations on your purchase. Now, click here, click here to access your purchase. All right, click here to access your purchase. Now, once you click on this section here, it's going to take you to a place where you fill in your password. Then you'll be given access to the Affiliate Beginner course. Now, once you put in your password, this is the first message you'll be getting. All right. Now, to join the support group, watch the introductory video and then check the material section of the video to see the link. Now, click this X here to access the course. So once you click on this X, you are going to receive immediate access to the course. Now, I'm clicking on it now. You can see it just showed protected affiliate beginner course. Now, these are all the videos, all right, about the affiliate beginner course. Now, the first thing you need to do is to go through the introduction part of this video. All right, so I'm going to be clicking on the introduction part now. Now, I've clicked on it. It's redirecting us to another place where you can access the introduction video of the affiliate beginner course. As you can see, it took us to this place. All right, now it said introduction. You click on this link to watch the introduction video. All right, so once you are done watching the introduction video, what you do is that you click on this material section here. All right, so once you click on the material section, you are going to access how to join the affiliate beginner forum. All right, now the affiliate beginner forum is a support group where more than 1,000 students are. All right, the people who have the students who have already enrolled for this affiliate beginner course, there are more than 1,012 students. All right, that's a place where you'll be able to access that mentorship group. All right, so that you can also learn from those students. Now it says please follow the instruction on the video, else you can't join the support group and I don't attend to questions privately. All right, now it says don't just chat me, do as I said on the video. It's telling you to watch the introduction video, which I've already showed you guys. Now, once you are done watching the introduction video, now you click on this place to send him a DM on how to join the affiliate beginner forum or mentorship group. All right. Now, you can as well chat him up here directly. And it says here, if you haven't chatted me before or you're yet to join the group, just type student on my chat only. All right, so follow these instructions to get access to his personal private mentorship community. All right, personally, you have already gotten access to my personal mentorship if you have actually bought this particular course from me. Now, if to access the other videos, I can easily click on next lesson here, or I click on this other next lesson here. But for the sake of this video, I'll be clicking back to where it actually took us from. Now, once we click on it, it actually brought us, it actually displayed this X button again. You just have to click on it to access the course again. I'm clicking on it now. You see, now this is the course content of the affiliate beginner course. What are we going to do now? Now, the first lesson here after the introduction part, after the introduction, we have the understanding the different affiliate platforms. All right, understanding different affiliate platforms, and under understanding different affiliate platforms, we have 9 topics. All right, and how to access these 9 topics, what we are going to do is just click on this blue expand button here. Once you click on it, it's going to display the 9 topics. And you see, now the number one thing it says here is that it says how to register on Expatia, Digistem affiliate, how to register and sell, Staycut, how to register for free and sell products, affiliate, seller affiliate, how to register and sell. Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me that how am I going to return a partner? Must I return a partner? It is not compulsory that you must actually use a partner. All right, it's not compulsory that you must actually use a partner. Personally, I'm only using Espana and Staycut, but it's not a must that you must register on Espana. All right. Now, some of my students are using Digistem Affiliate, but personally, I don't use Digistem, and I don't also use Seller. All right. I'm only using Espana and I'm only using Espana and Staycut. So it is not a must that you must register on Espana. Nobody is compelling you to. Nobody is forcing you to. Nobody is asking you to. All right. What this video is all about is that understand all these affiliate platforms, all right, so that when you have your own students, you will be able to differentiate between Espana, Digistem, Staycut, and Seller. All right. Now, most of you guys have already registered on Staycut because Staycut is free and they pay in dollars. Digistem, they also pay in dollars too, but to register on Digistem, you're going to pay $10. Espana is 10,000 naira for 1 year, but nobody is compelling you to open all these ones. We can choose to work with Staycut. If you want to work with Espana as well, no problem, feel free. Nobody is compelling you to. So now, what we are going to do is that we are going to click on this first video here, to click on this first link to access this particular video. Now, I'm going to be clicking on this particular link now to access how to register on Espana. All right. Now, I'm clicking on it now. It's going to redirect us to a place where we are going to access the video on how to register on Espana. Now, you see, it says how to register on Espana. Now, this is the video. This is the video on how to register on Espana. Now, once you are done watching these videos, what you do is that you click on next topic. All right. Once you click on the next topic, it's going to immediately take you to Digistem Affiliate. All right. Now, I've already clicked on next topic. Now, it took us to Digistem Affiliate. All right. It took us to Digistem Affiliate. Now, let's just play this video. If you want to play the video, what you just do is that you click on this YouTube icon here to watch the video. All right. Now, let's just click on it to see how it does.
Hi, greetings and welcome to this section of the training. Okay, so this video training is about Digistem, how to sign up on it and then navigate through the dashboard.
Now you see, this is just what it is. Now, once you are done watching this affiliates, once you are done watching this particular Digistem affiliates, understanding how Digistem is all about, you click on this next topic here. All right, so I'm clicking on it, and it's going to immediately take us to Staycut and how to register for free and sell products on Staycut. As you can see, this is just what it is. All right, so once you are done watching these videos, you just continue clicking on next or next topic here. Just continue clicking on them. If you want to go back, you can click on previous here, all right, to access the previous videos. All right, so that is just how to navigate through all these platforms. Now, once you are done with all these videos, let me say that you want to go back. Let me say you want to go back to the main menu where you actually came from. You can just, instead of you to continue clicking on previous, can easily click on these three icons here. All right, once you click on these three icons, it's going to show you all the course outlines. All right, now you can see these are all the course outlines, the introduction, understanding different affiliate platforms, the WhatsApp marketing, create free website, and all of that. So to go to the main menu, I'll just click on this area here, protected affiliate beginner course. So once I click on that place, it's going to take us back to the main menu where we actually came from. Now I've clicked on it. It's taking us back to where we came from. Now you can see it brought back this X option. What we're going to do is just to click on this X to access the main course. All right. Now I'm clicking on the X now. You can see this is just now this is the full course outline. Now you can see introduction. You click on it to watch it. We've already discussed about that. You click on this particular understanding different affiliate platform to watch all the videos. Now what you just have to do is that just click on, once you are done watching the introduction, you click on this particular one. All right, you just click on this expand option to access all the video, like what I just told you. Once you click on it, it's going to bring down all the videos. All right, now you watch them one by one. All right, you watch them one by one. Now once you are done watching all these videos, you move on to the next one. All right, because all these ones are under understanding different affiliate platforms. All right, now you move to the next video, which is WhatsApp marketing. Now under WhatsApp marketing, we have 6 topics here, as you can see. All right, so what we do is that we click on this expand option to access these 6 topics. Now I'm clicking on it now. You can see once I clicked on it now, it brought out all this course content. WhatsApp broadcast list tutorial, how to use ChatGPT for your marketing, which this is an AI, how to create WhatsApp links, autoresponders and script, touchpad keyboard usage, WhatsApp PLT marketing strategy. I spoke about this particular one in one of my one of our mentorship program. All right. Now, once you are done watching all these videos, you move on to the next section. All right. You move on to the next section, which is um, how to create a free website. All right. Now, if you click on this expand option, it's going to bring out just one single topic, because as you can see here, it says one topic. So the one topic is how to create a free website via this car.co website, car.co website. All right. Now, once you are done watching these videos, what you do is that you move on to the next one, which is organic traffic generation. All right. Now we are going to click on this expand. It has three topics as well, so we're going to click on the expand option to access the three topics. And you see, immediately I clicked on it, it actually brought out the three topics that are under organic paid traffic generation. And what are the courses that are under this organic traffic generation? We have Naira Land organic traffic, we have Facebook organic traffic generation, YouTube marketing tutorial. Now, these are the three topics that are under organic traffic generation. Now, once you are done watching all these videos, remember that you have to click them one by one to access the videos. All right. Once you are done watching this particular phase of the of organic traffic generation, you go to the next video, which is to the next content, which is paid traffic generation. And under this paid traffic generation, we have 6 topics. All right. Now, what you usually do, just like what we're doing, just click on the expand option. It's going to bring down all these topics. All right. And number one, it says Facebook ad for with smartphone, Canva, design, graphic design. This is how to design images and graphics and all of that. Then cheaper cash for online payment, Facebook audience research, Google ads on smartphone. You see, you just click on them one by one to access the video. Now, once you are done with all those ones, you go to the last one, marketing flow. And under marketing flow, we have just 3 topics. All right. So what are you going to do? You just click on the expand option to bring out all these courses. Clicking on it now. You see, now it took us to affiliate marketing terminologies, how to sell your products. Now, most of you, a lot of you have been asking me that, coach, how am I going to sell products? Now, this is where you find how to sell products to people. Now, another one is someone chatted you up. What is next? If somebody tells you that, okay, I want to buy from you, I want to buy your course, what is the next thing that you need to do? So you see, this is how powerful this affiliate beginner course is all about. Okay, so you just have to get a book and a pen, go through this training, and understand everything that this training contains. All right. Once you are done going through all these videos, if you have any questions, you feel free to come to me. I'm always here for you 24/7, 365. All right. Just go through these videos, get a book and a pen, jot some things down as you are going through them. All right. Now, if you want to access other materials for your affiliate beginner course, you click on this material section. All right. I'll begin on it now. Now you see, immediately I clicked on it, it also told us that to join the support group, please watch the introduction video and then check the material section of the video to see the link. All right. Now, if you want to download your autoresponder, an autoresponder is an application that will help you to respond to thousands of people without you doing nothing. All right. Now, since you've been watching this video, you've been seeing some WhatsApp notification have been displaying on my WhatsApp. It is my autoresponder that's been doing all those messages for me. I'm not just doing anything. I'm just online, with my Android phone, trying to set up my affiliate marketing campaigns. Now, once you click on this place, you'll be able to access your WhatsApp autoresponder. All right, you'll be able to download it. Now, before you got this course, I told you guys that you'll be having access to 19 marketing ebooks. This is where to access them. All right, this is where to access your 19 marketing ebooks. They are all free for you to access. Now, another one is access the course on how to design landing page using Elementor Page Builder. All right. Now, this particular one is 50,000 naira, but you are getting it for free because you've already purchased the affiliate beginner course. So you see, this is what this course is all about. This is how powerful the affiliate beginner course is all about. If you just want to go back, you click on this course section again to navigate back to where you actually came from. You see, this is just how easy and simple it is to navigate through the platform of the affiliate beginner course. Now, this course is packed with a lot of value. All right, go through these trainings and understand everything about marketing. This training is going to teach you how to create a simple online affiliate business. They're going to bring you nothing less than 750k, but you must be serious with these trainings. All right. Now, if you have not actually purchased this course, click on the link in my comment section here on YouTube or on Facebook to access the affiliate beginner course. All right, it's just 30k. Right, it's just 30k. Now, if you actually gain something from this video, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, and all of that. All right. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.